केरळ संस्कृतीचे दर्शन घडोवपी आणि राजा महाबलीच्या येवकाराचो उत्सव आशिल्लो ओणम दिवचले व्हडा दबाज्यान मनयली। केरळ भावांच्या कल्पका कल्चरल एसोसिएशनान हो उत्सव घडोवन हाडिल्लो। ह्या उत्सवाक मुखेल सोयरे आमदार दोतोर चंद्रकांत शेट्टी आणि प्रेमेंद्र शेट हाजीर आशिल्ले। ओणम निमतान फ्लोरल कार्पेट म्हळ्यार फुलांची रांगोळी सर्त आणि हेर सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी आयोजीत केल्ल्यो।
बोड्डेच्या श्री महामाय सभाघरांत ओणम मनयली। मानेस्ता सयत वाजयत गाजयत राजा महाबलीचे सभाघरांत आगमन जाले। हे कार्यावळीक वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांतले केरळीयन भाव भयणां सयत हेर धर्मांतले लोक हाजीर आशिल्ले।
Actually, all these Malayali people are with us for generations. In fact, I cannot say them, or they also don't consider they are not Goans. They have become Goan now. They have imbibed all our Goan cultures. They have imbibed all our traditions, their language. In fact, off the hand, if you meet them, and if they start speaking Konkani, it is hardly very difficult to make out whether they are Goan or Malayali. The best part of this community is what? They always think that Goa is their land.
उक्तावण सुवाळे उपरांत ओणमाचे वैशिष्ट्य आशिल्ल्या जेवणाची कार्यावळ जाली। ह्या वेळार केरळची खाद्य संस्कृतीचे दर्शन झाले।
Goa is a place where one comes and settles a life because of its peaceful life in Goa. Our brothers and sisters from different parts of state who have come and settled here, they are living very peaceful life in Goa. Why? Because they like Goa. Goa is a peaceful place.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर तुकाराम सावंत।